G'day mate, it's a wild Kinnison out here in the wilderness. Old Kinnison 24 valve right there. Hey Kinnison mate! G'day mate.
She's a happy lady now.
Hey, she's a happy old lad now?
Yes sir.
This is Kinnison truck right here mate. He's got some 22 by 12 American Force Blitz going on this puppy. Coming very soon, eh? And we will definitely get a nice overview of that on the channel. Don't forget you. Hey, what's
yes, sir.
Oh, what are you doing, mate?
Just cleaning my truck out a little bit.
Alright. Mate, you got a fucking screw in your tie, mate.
How the fuck did that get there? God damn it.
What would you do without me?
Good thing I'm getting forces.
We're gonna get you that first start of the day, gentlemen. Don't you freaking worry. That's your first start, don't worry. Hey, first start, everybody knows the rules. You gotta wait for the little thinger. Gotta wait for the little thinger. Oh, she angry today, ladies and gentlemen. She's an angry lady today, I tell you. But we're about to get in here. Don't you worry. Welcome back to the channel, guys. We hope you're having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, whatever time you're watching this video. Today is just gonna be a little tiny update on the channel. About to go get some lunch and watch Avengers Endgame last night. Very good. Do recommend getting to go watch it. And very good. But anyways, about to go get some lunch, and I'm just gonna let you know about what's going on in the truck very soon, very shortly, like within less than a week shortly, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to wink. But yeah, it's definitely gonna be wheels and tires. So found some 22s and 35s for the truck. I think that they will look good. They look decent. So definitely probably gonna go scoop those up, and if anything, I'm just gonna flip around for a profit anyways. Like my last truck, I started off with 20s, ended up with 24s and 37s. So definitely probably just gonna flip them or trade them for some 20-inch Denali's or like the 5 stars, and then get on the road with the truck, with the wheels wise, and then either start saving up for a lift kit or keep it low. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do level still and put the overload spring out and then do drop shackles and track bars, or I'm just gonna do a regular little 6-inch till later down the road when I get out of the military, just straight axle swap it, because that's the end goal for this. 4-link straight axle swap on coilovers. It would be amazing. But I just thought I would give you a little friendly reminder about what's going on in the truck soon, so y'all can keep y'all up to date as much as possible. It's been a long week at work as usual, so it's very hard to freaking keep pushing out content, like I said, guys. It just sucks. But I'm still trying to do it. And very soon, I will use my last car wash ever on this truck right here. So stay tuned for that video. Probably gonna be next weekend. So I should have a video out before that. But so that'd be 2 videos till that video. But yeah, stay tuned for that video next weekend. Definitely gonna be using my last car wash ever on this truck, because I'm gonna be paint correcting it soon, or whatever I can do to paint correct, because the paint's really not so good on it anyway. But we ain't gonna talk about that. Got the groceries, now you gotta ice them down. Yo, I swear that lady in there must be getting paid to be like literally selling every single item, bro. Like, when to go buy my stuff, she's asking me all these questions. You want some chip? You want some drinks? You want some chips and dip? You want some cigarettes? You want a straw? You want this piece of gum I found? No, lady, just let me buy my food, please. Oh. Kenny, baby! Let's get going. I'm coming, hold on. But is my spot open? And yes, it is. What's up, Kenny? Kenny song. Sexy boy. I tell you what, boy. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching the video. Hope you have a great rest of the day. Please remember to drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Sorry this video isn't really too much of anything exciting going on, but I'll just let you know that everything's coming into plan, everything's coming into place, and everything is coming soon. Alright, so to add on to the wheels and tires, definitely going to be getting a 3-inch level kit right now. Right now I just have the torsion keys jacked up, but I need some shock extenders and probably some new Bilstein shocks or some box shocks maybe. Drop a comment down below, see, and let me know what your opinion on Bilstein or Fox shocks is. More than likely going to go with Bilstein because I've heard a lot more better things and they're a little bit cheaper. But definitely going to be doing that, and I'm probably going to be in the shackle kit because, like I said, the tires have 35s on them. I kind of wanted to have a little more level look than just having the 3-inch leveling kit in there. So I'm probably going to put some shackles in there and fit those 35s on there. And more than likely just going to end up getting some street tires with them anyway, so might not even get the leveling kit. Not sure yet. But to add on to that, definitely going to be getting a radio soon as well. And I got to get the resistors, fix the resistors in there. And more than likely a quarter intake. Drop a comment down below and let me know what intake you want me to see me run on the truck as well. Thinking about S&B with the plexiglass cover, because the kit that I want for the engine bay is probably going to be the HSP or the Woyfab custom kit with the metal intake box and the metal coolant bottle and cold pipe, the hot pipe, the Y bridge, all that. And I'm going to have to get that later on the road anyway. But for now, I just want to run it on a quarter air intake. So let me know what quarter air intake you want me to run on the truck. And what else do I have to do? I have to get the headliner redone too soon. Like, everything's going to be done soon. So I'm just giving you a good little update of what's coming to the channel and what's coming to the truck. So make sure to keep following along. Stay positive. Peace out.